Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shorewood, or near Minooka, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Plainfield, New Lenox, Channahon, Minooka, Wilmington, Ingalls Park, Shorewood, Manhattan, Braidwood, Diamond, Elwood, Rockdale, Lakewood Shores, Crest Hill, Preston Heights, and Crystal Lawns. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 236 and 258. Interstate 80 between mile markers 119 and 137.